Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox this very beautiful diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots. The name is Chapel in the Snow. This is a square drill diamond painting kit that I purchased from Michaels. The original price was $54, but I bought it 30% off for $38. At this moment, a 40% off event going on, so you can buy it for around $31 if I'm not mistaken. So let's open and see how it looks inside. And this is the original image. The kit comes very neatly packaged in a plastic bag. The canvas and the drills with the tools. Let's start with the canvas. So this is a full square kit in the size of 50 by 40 centimeters, which is amazing because, no, 41 by 51, 40 by 50, because this is a standard size and it will be very easy to find a frame for it. I saw this design a few months ago and I fell in love with it. I saw it on Diamond Dotz website and it was pretty expensive, $62. As far as I know, it is still $62 there. And as much as I love Diamond Dots, they have excellent quality, canvas wise, design wise, and drills wise. It is still very pricey. And I know that Diamond Dots are sold in Michaels, Mary Maxim, Joanne, and I've been monitoring their websites for the last several months. And finally, I saw this very design that I loved so much in Michaels, and the only thing that I had to wait for was the discount, and it was 30% off. Besides, they're selling it for less than $62, 54 minus 30%, so $38 is not that bad. Plus, I had a $25 gift card. If I waited for one more week, it would go down even more, 40% off. But still, it wasn't very expecting. It wasn't very expensive for me, taking into consideration the fact that I had a $25 gift card. Plus, I had $10 off in voucher in Michaels or something like that. So in any case, I am in love with this design from the day one when I saw it. It is so cozy, so festive. The chapel in a winter landscape, a beautiful Christmas tree, the deer looking at the chapel. The chapel itself seems so cozy with the lights on. It's obviously cold outside, but the chapel inside is very warm. At least that's the impression that I have from looking at this picture. Beautiful Christmassy design. And I love the colors. You have probably noticed that blue, white, the combination of blue and white colors is my favorite. And besides, there are different shades of blue. So let's see. This kit has 30 colors. The color, the simple printing is excellent as always. Again, these are squares, not round drills. Diamond Dots started selling square drill kits maybe 1 or 2 years ago. I don't remember for sure, but not a long time ago. I like them, but unfortunately, this like the majority of the companies, they do have a gapping issue. It's not huge, but still, it exists. But their diamond painting kits come out beautiful, and although the size is pretty small, I can see right away that it will turn out very detailed, and the color combination should be beautiful because this company has a team of designers working on their kits. A lot of objects, yet the picture looks with a very good resolution. So now let's look at the drills. I already diamond painted a square drill kit from Diamond Dots and I loved how it turned out. More than that, it was the wolf, autumn wolf, if you remember. It came with the white ABs. Unfortunately, this kit does not have square ABs, although I know that diamond dots do have them. I would definitely think that they would include yellow AB and white AB. Unfortunately, this kit includes only resin drills. So what I'm thinking to do is to replace yellow color, at least in the windows, with sparklers. I have round for square crystals. They're the same size as square, and they blend in perfectly with the square drills, although the shape is different. And I do have white square ABs, which I would definitely replace. This way, the snow would sparkle even more, and the windows, the light in the windows would look natural, as if it is a real light coming out from there. Maybe I would also add some on the Christmas tree, the crystals. So this is it for today. Just wanted to share this beautiful design with you. And if some of you is thinking of purchasing it, so that's how it looks inside. It's your decision now, while it is still on sale for $31 in Michaels. There is a 40% promo code. I will leave the link in the description box below. This is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a nice evening.